So, back on our Blue Meanie. Remember last time I got this bed liner shot in, it's still looking sharp, super durable stuff. Today we're going to focus on interior. So everybody goes to LMC truck because they're the place for trucks. Here's our new nice blue carpet molded with some new insulation on the back, and we got door sill plates, inner and outer. So if you look at this truck real quick, get you in here. Interior's pretty terrible. There's my seat for backing it in and out. Here's our plates, inner and outer. Look at that crap. That sucker's had a hard life for sure. These could be reused if you were in a bind. Like, this is not the worst inner plates I've ever seen. It's got the old rubber mats. So I'll pull out, this is 87, so 33 years worth of funk. Here's the old plastics for the cover this. Yeah, get the seat belts out, get those cleaned up. Somebody's good old floor jack. Remember, I got the new rubbers. I can get those thrown in today. And that steering wheel's pretty nasty. I would almost say we just buy a new Grant wheel, which I may talk them into. But yeah, for right now, I'm gonna get the column cleaned up, dash. The guy's supposed to come put the windshield in still. Waiting on him. Headliner will come down and out. We probably won't need a headliner. Visors look pretty good. They did be cleaned. See there? And I'll pick up all my little pieces from the inside. But I think step one, I'm gonna roll her outside and take my leaf blower and just blow through from one door throughout the other one. Get rid of these old rubbers and our new, or get rid of our sill plates. So y'all hang out. Hopefully it'll be a cool ride by the end of the day. A old school impact driver. This one's made in Taiwan. I don't even know how old it is. But a lot of times, if you can get it, see, that one's a little bit small. I've got another one here. Get it lined up on here. Get out of there. All right. Definitely just broke off. That bolt's probably hot. Seat belt harness. There. Gonna pressure wash these suckers. Boom, boom. Funky old mat is probably stuck everywhere, but it looks like it went in two pieces, so I don't want to rip the wiring out. See if I can bring the trash out with it. There's a windshield screw I need to put up. Windshield handle, door handle screw. Something like that. Oh yeah. Extra crispy. Okay. Rubber plug came up with it. Want to be sure not to throw those away. Unless you want to buy a new one from LMC Truck for $8 a piece. Perfect. And out. So now I'm going to try to do what I would consider to be working smarter and not harder. Truck still doesn't have a windshield and no seat. I'm sitting on the old milk crate. But if you've ever owned one of these trucks, like I've had a couple, 77 and a 79, and I basically have done it on both of them. Let me show you. There we go. Good brake pedal. Let's go for a drive real quick. There's a block there. There it is. Alright. Is this the maiden voyage? Maybe. See if I can roll that window up a little bit. It won't rattle too much on you. You may notice a little more rattle than usual because there's no interior in the truck. But here we go. Second gear. Now, so we're going down the highway. I'm going to go ahead and turn the vent on high. Let some of the funky leaves and all that trash blow out. Also, there's a vent down here. As you're driving, leaves and all kinds of crap blow out of that. So if you wait until you put your new interior in, that's going to be hitting you in the face. And laying all in your new carpet and your new seat. We're just going about 45. Might get up to 55 here in a minute. Watch our gauges. Truck drives pretty good. Our horn works. I'll show you that in a minute. Weight saving weight reduction. Here's that fun part where I get to run over the whole floor with a grinder. Mostly the same wire wheel you saw for my Raptor liner video. This stuff's got to get cleaned up. So basically everything from here down is kind of covered in like a black filmy looking mold. And all I've got here is a bucket of soapy water. It's actually a little Gain like I used the other day, and a extra fine Scotch-Brite. Shouldn't take very much. Get that crap cleaned out. And I may just do it a section at a time. Yeah, see, that's so much better. And as it's still wet, I'll just move down. I hadn't even touched that back glass yet. Probably knock a little overspray off while I'm scrubbing. Grab my old bath towel here. It's cleanish. And let's give it a wipe. Like new again. Hard to do that with the seat in and the carpet in and all that. See where I stopped at there. The Blue Meanie is going to get its windshield today. So it's a pretty big day for us. What we got going on here. Here's an old piece of headliner. Throw that away. And hopefully you can see how dirty that is. Golly. Pretty nasty. Take a clean part of my dirty towel. Wipe her down. Yeah, it's even got to smell better in here. Alright, so we're all cleaned up. As you can clearly see, we got some rust issues. So I'm just going to start with, this is Permatex rust treatment. I actually use this on the top of the truck where there's some rust. And basically it says, apply 2 to 3 thin coats, allowing no more than 2 minutes drying time between coats. Final application should dry to a black finish. Allow 24 hours time before top coating. So basically, I'm going to spray this. It's going to kill the rust. The rust is going to, it'll kill the rust. I will come back over it with my top coat that I'll show you in just a minute. And this floor will be rock solid good again. So here's how I would do this. Let's start with our, knock a few thin coats out here. I got my wire kind of hanging in the way, but that's all right. Trying to shake the can as I go. I've used POR 15, and you know, I already know I really like that rust encapsulator. And if I had a new can of that, I would probably use it. Pop up for a second. There's a little spot right there. Looks like I need to blow this out before I do too much more, huh? Interior is in.